Suppose substring, all we know the use of this substring. Uh, this is the one code I wrote here, which is string st, then int l equals to st dot length. After that, one loop will continue for I equals to 0, I less than l, I plus plus, and then system dot out dot println st dot substring I. So all you know the use of loop, all you know the use of substring. So
Yes, sir.
one by one, I'll ask from Akash. Can you explain how it will work?
Sir, first in the void part, it will accept a string.
Suppose
Then
if
in
it is,
the
let me finish first. If it is accept BKP, then what it will print?
sir, first it will print BKP, then it will print KP, then it will print P.
BKP, then
KP and then P.
KP, then P. Now Adrita is here. Adrita, can you explain what it is? Adrita, Aratrika. That means if I want to change the pattern or format, then what we'll get? This one is the important one. Like if I compile this program, already Akash told that if we compile this one, Roshan is there. Roshan, Roshan, are you there? Hello. Like if you give BKP, we'll get BKP, KP, and P. Now if I want to
Yes, sir.
that means I want to print the different pattern. Different pattern means then what we'll do? Suppose if I change this one like L minus 1, L minus 1, if we start the loop from L minus 1, and if this one I is greater than 0 and I minus minus, and then if I print I, then what it will print? Simple things, it will print the
Opposite.
reverse one. That means BKP, it will be PKB, like KB, like this it will come. The thing is that if I change this pattern of the loop, that means sequence of the loop as well, then pattern also change. Now if we have a pattern like this, then how we can deal? Like suppose if we have India, then one space, this one is indicate space, one space is here, then NDIA, then again 2 space, then 3 space, then 4 space, and A. So what changes we need here? Like we need to control the space as well. First, we don't have any space, then space will increase one by one, then space is increased one by one. If you see this pattern, if India is an input, so India, NDIA, DIA, IA, A. So if it is a left alignment, easily we can print same as the previous one. Same as the previous ones means I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than L, and I plus plus. So if I give input as India, we'll get India as a left alignment, but I want it to the right alignment as well. How to do this right alignment? That means we need to control one loop also. That means one loop. By this loop we have to control. By this loop we have to control what? By this loop we have to control the pattern as well.
Space.
That means space. So if I have India, INDIA, so total number of length of this word is 5. Loop will iterate 5 times for the 5 lines, no doubt about this. If I use a loop like this for int I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus, after that if I create a loop for int j equals to
1.
0, j less than I, j plus plus, and system dot out dot print space. So if I compile this program, what happened? The value of I is 0, I less than length condition is satisfied. First, int j equals to 0, j less than I, j plus plus, system dot out dot print space. First loop will not satisfied, then system dot out dot println st dot substring I. What is the value of I? 0. So it will print whatever input you are given, this one accordingly it will print. Now Ronak, can you explain? Ronak, Siddharth, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain.
First, the loop will goes with the value of the I with 0. Then it will enter the second loop. Z is equal to 0. Then it will goes to the statement. It will print one gap. Then it will update its value. Then the condition is false. Then it will
Then hello.
hello.
Okay, Roshan, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain.
First, it will accept a string that is taken in the input part. Then it will calculate the length of the string. Then it goes to the for loop, and it here I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. The condition here gets satisfied. So it goes to the very next statement, that is another loop for int j equal to 0, j less than I, and j plus plus. Here the condition does not get here the condition does not get satisfied, means it is false.
Okay.
So it goes to the system.out.println st dot substring I.
I. So what is the value of I?
I is 0.
I is
0.
okay. So if I give input as India, what output will get?
We'll get we'll get India.
First we'll get India. After that?
Yes. Then we will get NDIA.
No space is there?
Oh yes, after that space is there.
See, this one is the output. If you see the code with this with the output. I gave the input as India. So INDIA India. Then how this code will work? First, I equals to 0, I less than L, condition is satisfied. J equals to 0, J less than I. So no space is print first. Then system.out.println st.substring I. The value of I is 0. So all we know that substring will work. That means whatever value we will give inside the bracket, from this index to end, it will print. So first India print. Then the value of I became 1. When the value of I became 1, J, then again J will start from the beginning, and one time it will iterate one space, it will print. Then st.substring 1, from 1 means NIDIA. Like this, it can we can print. That means if you recall the nested loop concept, during the continuation of this nested loop concept, we deal with what? Different types of pattern. And here also we are dealing with the different types of pattern, but with help of string and as well as substring also. If we not use substring, then nested loop is required. That means it's difficult. It's not difficult. We're able to do it, but
One more loop will be there.
yes, one more loop will be there, and for this you have to use caret method. You have to use caret method. So it's better to know the substring. Substring is helpful for us. So now if I move on to the next pattern like India is there, and if I change the that means change the pattern means like now if I want to Harsha, can you hear me? Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So can you explain what changes we need if I want to print this pattern, this one? In this code, what necessary changes we need to do?
Sir, J will be I.
J will be I. That means don't guess. Explain how we can solve. What changes we need here? What changes we need here?
Sir, J will be equals to 1.
Okay, if I
And
give the J,
less-
J equals to 1, then there is any need of the space here.
No, sir. So the loop is not needed.
Which loop is not needed?
J loop.
Okay, J loop, then I'll remove this J loop. And any changes?
So no.
Hello, Akash,
Yes, sir. Thinking, sir.
Siddharth, can you explain?
Sir, I think we have to use range.
We have to use range, but what range we need to use?
Sir, we can take one integer.
What integer we want?
Sir,
Roshan, can you explain, Roshan?
Sir,
Yes.
hello. Sir, we can write I, comma L minus 1
I,
in
comma
substring
L.
part.
Who is there? Akash.
Sir, I Akash. Yes, sir.
I comma L minus 1. It will work. I comma L minus 1 will work. I is what? 0. So 0 comma L minus 1.
Sir, I think we have to take an integer equal to 4.
How will know the length? Because we are taking as an input. Why 4? Anyone is here who can explain?
Sir, I can try.
Right?
So here I think we have to input another loop like for int j equals to I, j greater than 0, j plus plus.
Please see the pattern. India, 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 in I. This thing we have to print. So I don't think we need another loop and also with this loop also, but with the help of substring as well, we have to solve. Ronak,
Sir, we have to change the substring part.
we have to change the substring part. Okay, and another thing also we need to change. What it is? Okay, let me explain this one. If input, if due to for I equals to 0, I less than L, we need to first see the target, India, INDI, INDI. So what changes we need to do? India fully we need to print, and if you see the pattern, you can find out the first letter is fixed there. That means we need to start from, if we able to do something where we start from the 0th index continuously, and if we able to reduce the length part, then is how we can get India. To get the India, we need to give 0 comma L. To get INDIA, we need to give 0 comma L minus 1. To then L minus 2. Like this we have to do. So what changes we need? Same.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, in int part, for part, int I will be equal to L minus 1. I will be greater than 0, comma, I minus minus, and here it will be 0, comma, I also we can write.
We don't need this. This one also I think worked. If I write st dot substring 0 comma L minus 1, let's compile this one and see what result we get. See, input is given here as India. Blank result or what?
Okay.
Hide and seek. See, this is the output. This is the question, this is the code, and this is the output.
Arey baap re baap.
We don't need nested loop. With help of single loop also, we don't need this block as well, because after the loop, single statement is here. So this is the question. Question is India. And this one is the output also. Now, tell me if anyone having any doubt. You can raise your hand, or you can write in comment comments box as well. You can write me on WhatsApp also. Akash, any doubt?
Sir, why L minus 1, sir?
Because L minus L, it's not L minus 1, it's L minus I.
Oh, sorry.
It's not L
Understood,
minus,
understood, sir.
yes?
Understood,
Akash?
sir, because the things are small now, that's why I can't see properly. I can understand, sir.
You can, that means zoom your screen also.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone, Siddharth?
Sir, can you explain L minus I?
Okay. Definitely I'll explain. Roshan?
Sir, Roshan has commented.
Sir, can you explain using debugger?
Debugger.
Okay. Adrita? Adrita, can you hear me? Aratrika? For this session, only 10 minutes left. Aratrika, are you there? Harsha? Harsha, are you there?
Sir, I couldn't understand the L minus 1 part. L minus
Yes.
I
All
part.
having same problem. Mohit?
Understood, sir.
What?
I have understood.
Okay. Movoni?
Sir, Aratrika written something.
Movoni?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? That means which part you have
No,
problem?
sir.
See this in what you can find out. This is our question. This is the code. This is the output. And for single loop, since last 1 year we are doing this loop. I don't think debugger definitely it will work. I'll show if you want. I'll show with debugger also. But only 8 minutes left. So before wasting the time, let me explain these things. First, length is what? If I give India, length is 5. No doubt about this.
5.
Loop will continue 0 less than L, I plus plus. So first I equals to 0, I less than L. Then it will create effect in the very next statement. And in next statement we have system.out.println st dot substring 0 comma L minus 1. What is the value? 0 comma L minus I. What is the value of I? I is 0, L is, according to this, L is 5. So 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5 means what it will print. As per the substring, again,
Full
I
India.
again and again I repeat, 0 comma 5. That means it will print 0 to 4. If you give a single value inside the substring, it will start from this index to rest part of the string. Substring is extract the sub part of the string. So by two different way we can use. One is within bracket. If we give a single value, then from this index to rest. If you give range, like here we need range. Why we need range? Because if you see the questions, I always in first line, that means first letter, India, INDIA, that means beginning is fixed there. So that's why it will start from 0 comma L minus 1. Length is 5. 5 minus, what is the value of I? I is 0. 5 minus 0, 5. So 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 means 0 to 4. If you extract
Yes,
the
sir.
index 0 to 4, so it will extract India. Then again loop will continue. The value of I became 1. So 0 comma L minus 1. That means 5 minus 1, 4. So if you give 0 comma 4, it will extract 0th index, 1 index, 2 index and 3 index. See, when you give 0 comma 5, it will extract 0th index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. After that, it will extract 0, 1, 2, 3. Then the value of I became 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0,3 means 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1, 2. In 0th index I is there, in 1 index N is there, and in 2 index D is there. Like this it will continue. Now tell me who having doubt. Siddharth,
Understood.
Akash,
Understood, sir.
Harsha,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Roshan, Roshan, are you there? Mohit, you told you understood. Ronak, if you have any doubt, you may write in comments part as well. Adrita, Roshan. Okay. So I think only 5 minutes left. Let me wrap up this part very quickly. That means already we discussed about the different types of pattern in loop. If I change this one like this, to this one, India, IND, only the space I put it here. So to do this, please everyone make a note of this pattern and do it and submit it me within 10 to 15 minutes in my WhatsApp. Okay. I think substring is clear, and please do it and submit. And this session is about to end. So for the time being, goodbye everyone. Today is that means after this disaster, today is the first class. Today we'll conduct only one session. So it's already about to end. And please do it and submit. If you have any doubt, you can share with me in WhatsApp personally and as well as in group also. So it's clear to everyone. Next, by tomorrow, we'll get 10 pattern regarding string. That means you have to accept the string and do the pattern. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.